Do you know what the most common password on the world is? It is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And guess what? Hacker can break it less than 1 second. Weak passwords are the easiest way for hacker to enter your account. But don't worry, making a strong password is not very hard. In this video, I will show you a simple step to create a strong password that are safe and also easy to remember. Why strong password is matter? Millions of accounts are hacked every year because of weak password. Hackers use tools to try thousands of passwords every second. This is called a brute force attack. If you use a 6-digit password, it will hacked on a minute. If you use 8-character password, it will hacked on hour. If you use 14-character password with letter and symbol, it will take a year. So yes, a strong password really protect you. What makes a strong password? A strong password follows 5 simple rules. 1. Use at least 12 characters. More is better. 2. Use simple letter, big letter, number, and symbol. For example, like this. Don't use personal info like birthday, no name, no phone number. Hacker can guess that. Every account should have its own password. Don't use one password anywhere. Change your important password sometimes, especially email and bank. Here is example of weak password, medium password, and strong password. Easy way to create a strong password. Here are 3 steps to make a strong password. Use remember word plus number and symbol. For example, sky blue, dance, night, 2025, or something else. 2. Sentences method. The first letter of each word on the sentences. You can choose the first letter for your password. For example, I started YouTube on 2025. Like this, you can put the first letter of this. The third method is you can use a password manager. You need to remember your password manager account, then all your password will be there. A common mistake, many people still make big mistake using date of birth or personal info for password, using one password for many accounts, or some people write password on the paper, saving on the notebook. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. See you soon on the next video. Have a good time.